Congratulations, you have been welcomed to Facebook content monetization. Congratulations to you, you have been accepted into the program. If this is for you, then you have to claim it. Even if you're not yet monetized, claim it under the comment section that yes, you have been invited. As long as you're a content creator, you have been invited. And if you're already invited and you want to set up your Payout account, this video is for you, because in this video I'll be showing you how to create your Payout account. Firstly, if you have been monetized, make sure you go and accept the monetization. Don't leave it there. Some of you will just leave it there like, I don't know what to click and all that. Just go, click on it and accept the terms and conditions, and boom, your earnings will start counting. If you don't click on that, set up your monetization, your earnings will not start counting. And if you have clicked on it and you have seen the option to set up your Payout account, because if you don't set up your Payout account, your in fact at some point your money will stop counting. Yes, because that is how it happens on Facebook. If you don't set up your Payout account, your money will stop counting. So what you should do now is to set up your Payout account. So let's get right into the video. When you log into your Facebook account, you will see that they go set up. They have said that supposed to set up your account. So that is where you just click on it and you set up your account. See, before you set up your Payout account, there are some things that you'll be needing, that this thing should be available first before you can click on set up your Payout account. Yes, in fact, if you're already planning to be monetized on Facebook, you have to get these things readily available. If you're already creating content and your aim is to monetize your account, you have to get these things readily available. Because if you don't get it available, you'll be monetized, and for some time your Payout account, your earnings will not be counting because you are yet to set up your Payout account. So number one, you need a TIN number. That is your tax identification number. You need it for your Payout account. Another thing that you need too is you have to create a dollar account. Yes, you have to create a dollar account. If you have been invited to content monetization, you have accepted it, your Payout account sometimes will not come immediately. Sometimes, in some cases, it will come immediately. Sometimes it can take up maybe 2 to 3 months before you start seeing on your page. Sometimes it just come. You don't even have to hit the thresholds. No, some people will say you have to meet up with the minimal withdrawal on the platform before you can withdraw. For those in Nigeria, the minimum money you can withdraw for your first Payout is $100. Yes, most people are confusing it for $25. No, it's $100 for those in Nigeria. It's even on your Facebook account. So I'll put a screenshot of it so that you can read it very well. That what you need is a minimum of $100 to set up to be able to withdraw your first money. So I've created a course, a guide that will teach you step by step how to create your Payout account. You don't have to make mistake. Because I recorded how I did my A to Z and it was accepted. Yes, I did mine and it was accepted. So to do yours, just click the link in the comment section to get it for 5,000 naira only. Those in Nigeria is 5,000 naira. We just click on it and get it. You'll be watching it, how to set up your Payout account, and in the course you will still learn how to create a TIN, how to create a dollar account. So those are the major things that you'll be needing, and you are going to be learning it in the course. Just click on the link in the comment section and get it immediately. If you have questions, you can always ask in the comment section. I hope this video was helpful to you and you are blessed. If this video was helpful, just make sure you subscribe to this channel, like my videos, and share it. Remember, this is Grow with Eno, and I'm here to teach you non-techie skills, digital skills, AI tools that you need to grow as a business owner and also a content creator. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I love you so much. Bye bye.